Hello and welcome to the day ahead. It is Wednesday, February the 19th. I'm Andrew Gagan. Well, the Australian share market is set for a modestly lower opening with ASX futures down just 5 points. Global stocks were mixed overnight, with European shares again hitting record highs driven by gains in defence stocks. However, choppy trade on Wall Street saw the Dow and the Nasdaq finish lower, while the S&P managed to eke out gains. This as investors returned from a holiday weekend and considered more earnings results. Mega cap and growth stocks were mixed, with Nvidia leading the gains while Meta dropped, snapping a 20-day winning streak. Intel shares surged on reports that rivals Taiwan Semiconductor and Broadcom are eyeing potential deals that could break the chip-making icon in two. Constellation Brands rose after Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway disclosed a new investment in the alcoholic beverages producer. And retail giant Walmart's earnings are ahead this week, with it considered to be a bellwether of how the American consumer is faring. Well, markets are awaiting the Fed minutes from the last meeting due out tomorrow for further clues on the trajectory of interest rates. In the meantime, San Francisco Fed President Mary Daly has said policy needs to remain restrictive until I see that we're really continuing to make progress on inflation. This follows comments from fellow Fed member Christopher Waller, who said, "My baseline view is that any imposition of tariffs will only modestly increase prices and in a non-persistent manner, so I favour looking through these effects when setting monetary policy to the best of our ability." On the diplomatic front, US Secretary of State Marco Rubio has discussed an end to the war in Ukraine with Russian Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov in Saudi Arabia, without the participation of Ukrainian officials or EU representatives. US Treasury yields have crept higher, the 10-year rising to 4.51% after the New York Fed's February Empire State Business Conditions Index came in stronger than expected, while the 2-year yield is around 4.28%. In the wake of the Reserve Bank cutting its cash rate here, the Australian 3-year government bond yield has ranged between 3.9 and 3.94%, with markets now pricing in a 20% chance the RBA will cut by another 25 basis points at the next meeting in April, but an 80% chance by May. Well, the US dollar index is up on the day. The Aussie is trading at 63.5 US cents, and Bitcoin is trading lower at around 95,000 US dollars. Oil prices have risen, although traders have been cautious amid talks to end the war in Ukraine, which could boost Russian supplies. Brent crude futures at $75 a barrel. Copper has fallen another 1.5%, while iron ore is 1% higher at 107 US dollars a tonne, and gold has recovered to rise 1.2%, with gold futures at $2,949 an ounce. Well, locally today we get the wage price index for the December quarter. On the earnings calendar, we can expect results from Data3, Fletcher Building, Goodman Group, James Hardie, Rio Tinto, Santos, Southern Cross Electrical, the Lottery Corporation, Ventia Services and Vicinity Centres. That is your day ahead. See you again tomorrow.